Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Classification of fingerprints. Classification of fingerprints is mainly based on the pattern, based on discovery, or based on availability in the scene of crime. Based on patterns, fingerprinting can be of four types. There are loops, whorls, arches, and composite. Loops are most commonly seen, that is 67% of fingerprints are loops. Loops can be of two types. They are ulnar loops and radial loops. Whorls can be of 25%. The whorls are of two types. Whorls can be concentric whorls or spiral whorls. Arches are 6 to 7%. Arches can be plain arches or tented arches. Composite is combination of all the three is present in 2 to 3%. Dactylography or dermatoglyphics or Henry Galton system of identification is the best method of identification.
thank you and thank you for watching.